Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Halo Mini on a Honda Civic Type R 2015. Bit of a strange one, sharing different kinds of platforms, slightly different. So how the system works is basically very simple. Open the door, double full beam flash, tap the start button twice, or should we say let's just test it for immobilisation. If I try and start it, you just start and just cut out, okay? So basically every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, tap the start button to main ignition, make sure all your yellow lights are on, insert the code which we're going to change, and then wait for the full beam flash internally to tell you you've passed authorization, system is disarmed. So tap, 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 tap. There you go, full beam's giving it. So ignition off, ignition on, and then start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle starts, remains to run. When you turn off the start button, not like other systems that arm after about 10 seconds, this arms as soon as you open the door. There you go, two flashes, system is now armed. If I try and start it, you'll see the vehicle just won't start. It'll start and then cut out. There you go. Okay. Also, characteristics of this particular vehicle, the way you would disarm it, okay, is main ignition on. So all your lights on, insert your code. And then if I try to start it, it will still be immobilised. So you see? So you'd have to cycle the ignition off and then back on and then start it. Okay. If I wanted to place this in valet mode, this is also simple. So start button on, vehicle doesn't have to be running and should not be running. Insert the code and on the last press of the last button, hold it. Within 15 to 20 seconds, we'll get a 5 flash handshake to confirm that the system is in valet mode. So if you keep on watching carefully, there you go. There's the 5 flash handshake. So now the system is in valet mode. It's not speed dependent, distance dependent, or time dependent. So if I open the door, no flash. As you can see, system is disarmed. Start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle starts. Doesn't require push sequence. Okay. Once you get the vehicle back, again, main ignition on. So all your yellow and your red lights are on. Insert your code and hold on the last press. If you keep watching, you'll see we'll get the flash to confirm it's come out of valet mode. There you go. System is now out of valet mode. So if we turn off the start button, open the door, we'll see the system will become active. Okay, there you go. System is now armed again. Finally, if we wanted to change the code, really simple. Start button on, pass authorization, so we disarm it first. We've got our disarm. Now we tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times. Make sure, obviously, the car's definitely not running. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our indicator flash to say we're in learn mode. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off. Within 5 seconds, system is now learned. Okay, open the door. Let's try and put the new code in. So start button on. Insert the new code, so watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, got a flash. Start button off, and then back on. Start the vehicle. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching, bye-bye.